natural gas, oil, petrol, etc. And also are the main sources of electricity.
Landforms. Yesterday we did fold mountains, cliffs, a bay, a gulf. We discussed what is the difference between a bay and a gulf. We discussed what are peninsulas, we discussed what are valleys. Minahid and Yashad, and we also discussed deltas. If I get a chance, at the end of the class, I will explain this to you again. But all these topics were we did these topics yesterday. If you look at page 3 of your book, there's a topic called hills. We need to define what are hills. Hills are areas of higher altitude which rise above the rest of the land. Areas of higher altitude, altitude means height. Areas of height which rise above the rest of the land. So it, in a way, hills, it is like a small mountain. In a way, hill is like a small mountain. It is made up of harder rocks and are more resistant to erosion. It is made of harder rocks means the erosion means when because of rain or because of air, the top layer stays in its place. It doesn't erode away. ठीक है, खत्म नहीं हो जाती. जो जो उसकी टॉप लेयर है हिल्स की, वो खत्म नहीं हो जाती, अपनी अपनी जगह पे रहती है बेटे. ये रेजिस्टेंट टू इरोजन मींस कि वो इरोड नहीं होते, खत्म नहीं होते, अपनी जगह पे रहते हैं बेटे. ठीक है, तो दे स्टे लाइक दिस. But it is different than a mountain. Why do you think it's different than a mountain? Because it is lower in height as compared to mountains. Hill is lower in height as compared to the mountain. If the hill lies under mountain range, it is called foothill. ठीक है, अगर किसी mountain के बिल्कुल ये bottom पे ये hill है तो उसको हम foothill कहेंगे. Example of hill is Margla Hills. बेटे आप ये देखें, you must have seen this many times. You see this Faisal Masjid, so you know this is Islamabad, and you see these hills in the background. बेटे, these are not as high as a mountain, but still high, so these are called hills. बेटे, if they were higher, बेटे बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े होते तो फिर they were mountains. बेटे, but these are hills. बेटे, one more difference between hills and mountains is this: hills are easier to climb than mountains. You can easily go on top of the hill as compared to a top of a mountain. They are less steep and not as high. Okay? Steep means like this slanting है बेटे. They are not as slanted as mountains. Mountain बहुत slanting होते हैं. Steep इतना ज़्यादा steep नहीं है. ठीक है? So it's to get up to the top of the hill. It is not very difficult, but you can go to the top of the hill. It is not very steep, and obviously, as I said, it is not as high as a mountain. But like a mountain, a hill will usually have an obvious summit. Okay, just like mountain की summit होती है ना, you can see the top of the mountain, that this is where the top of the mountain is. अगर किसी ने, someone has to go to the top of K2 or Mount Everest, they know exactly this is the summit. At this point they have to reach it. तो इसी तरह hill की भी एक summit होती है. Summit means एक high point होता है. If we know that this is where this is the top of the hill. It has a summit just like a mountain, but it has a lower height. This is hills. Then we'll talk about rivers. Okay? So everybody knows what river is. Yeshad, you know what river is? Minahid, I'm sure you know what a river is. Right, beta? Yeshad, you know what a river is? Minahid, आपको पता है river क्या होता है बेटा? Minahid?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A river is a natural stream of water that flows into the sea or lake. Okay? A natural stream of water. It is not man-made. Okay? River जो है, it is not man-made. It is natural, or that flows into the sea. We all know that the river Indus that passes through the whole country, through the whole of Pakistan. It goes and then it flows into Arabian Sea in Karachi. Rivers, how are rivers formed? Rivers कैसे बनते हैं? Are they formed when the ice and snow melt and flow down from the mountains towards the lowlands? So to begin with, we all know there is ice and snow on the mountains. When the ice and snow melts, it obviously it becomes water and it flows down into valleys and cities and passes through valleys and cities. This is how the river is formed. River Nile in Egypt is the longest river in the world, and then the longest river of Pakistan is the Indus River. The longest river of Pakistan is the Indus River. Lakes. Lakes are large bodies of water surrounded by land. Notice the difference. In rivers, we did not say that they are necessarily surrounded by land, but lakes are large bodies of water surrounded by land. I've given you these two examples. You see, both of these are lakes because it is surrounded by mountains or piece of land. It is usually, the lake is usually surrounded by land. इर्द गिर्द कोई ना कोई land होती है बेटे, ठीक है? The water, can you tell the difference between the lake and the river? River mein the water is always flowing. You always know whenever you see a river, the water is always flowing. किसी direction में move कर रहा है. But the river and the water in the lake is usually still. The water जो lake है वो ज़्यादा move नहीं करता. वो अपनी जगह पर होता है. It is usually still बेटे, ठीक है? So the water in the lakes is usually still. लेकिन जो river का जो water है, it usually moves. This is the difference between a river and a lake. Next thing is waterfall. A waterfall is a place where the flow of a river drops from a great height. You can clearly see what a waterfall is. This is the place from the where the flow of the river falls down from a great height. So because of the height, we get this pressure and we get this these falls with it. Okay? Niagara Falls in Canada are probably the most famous falls with it. But किसी भी river पे there can be a waterfall with any river. Whenever there is there's a fall like this, it will be called a waterfall. You see, this is now both of you can see this. This is the waterfall.
Waterfall.
Next topic is spring. Spring is the earth's surface absorbs rainwater. Whenever there is rain, the water goes in the ground. The earth's surface absorbs that water. When there is abundance of rain, when there is too much rain, the water accumulates. The water is at one place and flows. So spring is a natural flow of water out of the ground. Again, spring is not man-made; it's natural. It is a natural flow of the water from the ground. तो जहाँ पे पानी बारिश की वजह से इतना जमा हो गया कि खुद से निकलना शुरू हो गया, उसको हम spring कहेंगे. See, like this, it is usually smaller than a lake and much smaller than a river. लेकिन ये हमने खुद नहीं बनाया. पानी वहाँ पे बारिश का पानी इतना जमा होता है, जमीन में इतना जमा होते होते एक टाइम आया कि खुद ब खुद वो पानी जमीन से बाहर निकल आया. The water from the spring is rich in minerals and is very clean and healthy for drink. It is rich in minerals. ठीक है, आपने जो mineral water पीते हैं बेटे, if you ever notice at the bottle, mostly it says that it is from a spring. But it is a spring water. It is from a spring. So the natural spring है, उसका पानी, it is rich in minerals and is very good for drinking. Rapids. What is a rapid? When a river flows downstream through rocks and cliffs, the water comes down with a great force and speed. इन दोनों पिक्चर्स में आप देखें कि आपको क्लियरली नजर आ रहा है कि the water is moving with a great force. कितनी ज्यादा layers बन रही हैं, कितनी ज्यादा वो bubbles बन रही हैं. Do you clearly see that? It is coming down with a great force and speed. This section of a river is known as a rapid. It is extremely dangerous to swim or sail a boat in these waters. यहाँ पे because of the speed इतनी ज़्यादा है, if you try to swim, there is a great chance that you will get drowned. So one should not swim here, or one should not try to sail a boat in these waters. It is extremely dangerous to swim or sail a boat in these waters. Zainab, यशद एंड मिनाहिर बेटे नजर आ रहा है ना आपको? देख रहे हैं कितनी ज्यादा कितनी आपको क्लियरली नजर आ रहा है कि पानी के प्रेशर बहुत ज्यादा है, और ये आपको ऊपर देख रहे हैं कि किस तरह वो वाइट हो रहा है पानी because of the speed.
Yes.
Because of the speed बेटे ये आपको क्लियरली नजर आ रहा है कि यहाँ पे फ्लो नॉर्मल नहीं है, बहुत ज्यादा फोर्स के साथ है. तो ऐसी कोई जगह हो तो हम इसको रैपिड्स कहते हैं. लास्ट थिंग टुडे इज natural vegetation बेटे. ठीक है, natural vegetation बेटे वो होती है, as we know climate is not the same in different parts of the world. The climate of a particular region, soil and terrain decide the kind, quantity and time period of plants that can grow in that region बेटे. ठीक है, हर जगह पे हर जगह पे हर चीज ग्रो नहीं कर सकती बेटे. Not everything can grow in any place बेटे. Not everything can grow in every place बेटे. Climate depends. Climate decides what can grow in certain regions बेटे. For example, we have bananas in Sindh बेटे. We have dates in Sindh. In Lahore we don't get too many date trees, but we get a lot of we get mangoes, we get strawberries, we get a lot of these things in Lahore bete. There's certain things that can grow in Karachi, there's certain things that can grow in Lahore, and there's certain things that can grow in Islamabad or up north bete. तो जो उस एरिया का जो क्लाइमेट है वो डिफाइन करता है कि व्हाट वी कैन ग्रो इन दैट रीजन बेटे. सॉइल उस जगह का सॉइल भी बहुत ज्यादा डिसाइन करती है. एंड ट्रेन बेटे लैंड. terrain is लैंड बेटे. जो लैंड है उस किस्म की किस किस्म की लैंड है वो किस चीज को सपोर्ट कर रही है. ठीक है. इस क्लासिफिकेशन को कि यहाँ पे क्या चीज ग्रो करेगी क्या चीज ग्रो नहीं करेगी इसको हम कहते हैं बायोम. What do we call it? Biome. B-I-O-M. We call it biome is an area of planet that can be classified according to the natural vegetation in that area. For example, जब हम फॉरेस्ट कहते हैं तो हमारे ज़हन में क्या आता है? फॉरेस्ट जब हम कहते हैं इसका मतलब हम कहेंगे कि वहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं होगा, या हमारे ज़हन में एकदम आता है कि वहाँ पे ट्रीज होंगे और बहुत ग्रीनरी होगी. What comes to your mind when you talk about forest? आपके ज़हन में क्या आता है? फॉरेस्ट जब हम कहते हैं तो आपको इमीडिएटली आपके ज़हन में यही आता है ना कि यहाँ पे ट्रीज होंगे, यहाँ पे ग्रीनरी होगी. लेकिन आप जब हम डेजर्ट कहते हैं तो डेजर्ट क्या आता है आपको पता है? आपके ज़हन में क्या आता है कि यहाँ पे कुछ भी कोई भी ग्रोथ नहीं होगी, कोई भी नेचुरल वेजिटेशन नहीं होगी. यहाँ पे सिर्फ सैंड होगी और ड्राइनेस होगी. राइट. तो बायोम मींस उस जगह के नाम के साथ ही आपके व्हाट कम्स टू योर माइंड. ठीक है. तो वी हैव 5 बायोम्स जो कि हमने डिफाइन किए इस बुक में. एक डेजर्ट्स हैं, फॉरेस्ट हैं, ग्रासलैंड्स हैं, श्रबलैंड्स हैं एंड टंड्रास हैं बेटे. ठीक है. These are the 5 biomes. So we will discuss these in the next class, each one of them separately. कि deserts क्या होते हैं, forest क्या होते हैं, grasslands क्या होते हैं, shrublands और tundras बेटे ये क्या चीजें होती हैं. ठीक है. These are the 5 biomes बेटे. Those who join late बेटे, do you want to ask anything? जो मैंने आपको कोई क्वेश्चन है तो बेटे, otherwise I can also discuss the topics that we did yesterday बेटे. Any question? Marish बेटे, do you have any question?
No sir, teacher सर नहीं, मैंने ये चैप्टर में अपनी मम्मा से पहले पढ़ा हुआ है.
Good, शाबाश बेटे, very good. Just hold for a second, just 1 second बेटे.
Okay miss.
Zainab,